This is called tapir. This is found mostly in South America. We call it a South American tapir. Uh, the scientific name of tapir is called Tapirus terrestris. It's the largest living land mammal in South America, weighing up to 700 lbs, which being an ancient lineage related to horses that's been around for ages, making it both the biggest and an old type of animal, though the actual oldest individual in years varies with tapirs. Living 20 to 30 years, they are known as gardeners of the forest for seed dispersal. So these are an imaginable animal, and as you can see, don't forget to share, subscribe, and